In this video, we're excited to show you the new draftable interface released in August 2025. In particular, we'll highlight the shift from multiple windows to a single, easy-to-use window with tabs. What you're seeing on the screen right now is our new comparison window. It's a bit different from what you're used to, with a larger text font for easier reading and a sleeker, softer, and more modern look and feel. You'll notice that the design resembles a web browser, with each comparison appearing as a new tab. Let's dive right in by loading up a couple of recent files and starting a compare. Notice how instead of a new window popping up, we see the comparison progress bar in the same tab. While that's loading, let's open another tab and load some Excel files for comparison. Now we have two comparisons running simultaneously, and we can easily switch between them, or even open more tabs for additional comparisons. Let's try one more with some PDF files. Once the first comparison is complete, you'll see that hovering over it displays the full name of the comparison output file. There's also a Word document icon next to it, making it easy to distinguish from the Excel files we're comparing in the other tab. Let's make this full screen to get a better view. Here you'll find everything you're familiar with from the viewer: the summary at the top, a clickable, filterable change list, the document itself, and all the usual next action commands at the top. When we switch over to the Excel comparison, you'll see we have the Excel comparison viewer available as well, with its unique set of commands. If you ever want to view any of these tabs in a separate window, it's as simple as dragging the tab out, and you can just as easily drag it back in, much like you would in a web browser. And of course, while we're waiting for those PDFs, you can run bulk compares as well, giving you the flexibility to run multiple comparisons in a single tab, instead of having to switch between multiple tabs. Let's hit compare, and as those comparisons are completed, you can open them in a new tab instead of a separate window. Meanwhile, the bulk compare progress continues to run in the other tab. One last change to highlight is that the settings have been relocated to the top right corner. When you select the icon, they'll open up in a separate tab as well. They might look the same for now, but we're planning to redesign the settings in the coming months to make them more user-friendly.